Amigos! Welcome to Wander and Wonder for Kids. Today we will sing a song and learn to count to 10 in Spanish. Are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Let's count in Spanish. Hey, kids, let's learn to count in Spanish. Sing along with me. One is uno, two is dos, three is tres. Now here we go. Four is cuatro, five is cinco, six is seis. Now let's keep the flow. Let's count in Spanish today. From uno to diez, come on, let's say. Sing it loud, have some fun. Counting in Spanish, one by one. Seven is siete, eight is ocho, nine is nueve, and we're almost there. 10 is diez, you did so great. Let's count again, don't hesitate. I say uno, you say one. I say dos, you say two. I say tres, you say three. Now count with me, 1, 2, 3. Let's count in Spanish today. From uno to diez, come on, let's say. Sing it loud, have some fun. Counting in Spanish, one by one. Let's do them all again. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, seis, siete, ocho, nueve, diez. Muy bien, you did it.
Great job, amigos! Did you like the song? Now you know how to count to 10 in Spanish. Keep listening to the song until you learn to count to 10 in Spanish. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye!